I draw, right? I click and I draw. Then if I want to add text, I'll say splash screen. Yes.
Your screen is still at big jam turn possibilities into plans. Yeah. So what you just said now, I didn't agree with. I didn't agree.
Are you serious? Okay. Is
Just
this where
screen
is
is
this
fine.
where
Seeing what I did.
Yeah.
are you
Yeah.
serious? Is this what people are saying? I'm scrolling my screen now. Can you see?
You're scrolling too down.
Just now it's scrolling.
Okay,
Doesn't
so
do anything
Just
before.
now it's
wow,
scrolling.
wow. What was happening? Okay, so this is FigJam's website. So I was saying that this flow, when I click on it now, is going to take me somewhere else. It's going to take me somewhere else. So you see, this particular task, this particular process now is called a user flow. That from that button, it has taken me to this point. What's happening?
I don't see what you're doing now.
Hold on, I'm not seeing what you're doing.
Okay, I know what to do. Don't worry. I'll stop sharing this screen and share the next screen where it took me to. Okay, can we see the screen now?
Okay, yes, you can see it.
Okay, cool. So this is FigJam, where we use to create user flows, information architecture, or user journey. So I was saying that this part of the screen that is showing under here is where we can get to choose any option that we want to use to add to our work. So if I want to make a flow now, I'll start with this shape, which is a rectangle, and I'm going to draw a rectangle, not a big one. And if I want to add a text, I'll click on T. Then I'll click on it inside here, and I'll say splash screen, because that first screen we get to see when we open a particular app is called splash screen. Then if we want to give it a color, we can decide to give it any color too. But let's leave this with this like this. So this is splash screen. Then if you want to draw another one under of it, okay, sorry. If you want to connect it to another, this line, this arrow we are seeing here is what we can use to connect it. See? So from splash screen now, what is the next thing when you open an app for the first time? What do you see next? Sign up. Exactly. So you are going to click here now. Say sign.
Are you with me?
I think it's more like log in and then sign up. Everybody's muted. Everybody is muted.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can hear you.
Thank you. So someone said something that this is supposed to look like login and sign up, right? Who said it? Uche? Okay, well, I was explaining something that if you are using sign up, you should use sign in, because sign up is as though you are coming in on that platform for the very first time. But if you say sign in means you have already created an account with the platform previously before. but you are coming to use the platform again. Do you get? So let's say you are using Bolt for the first time. If it's the first time you're using Bolt, you will see sign up. If you've created an account with Bolt before and you want to use them some other times, to either say sign in. So that's that. Then from signing from this level, yes, from this level now you get to connect. If you want to connect it to another screen. So this point is where your own creativity now will now come in, because you yourself, you know what you want to come up with from the insights you've gotten from your research. So you know how the flow ought to go for you, the flow of your own website, or the flow of your own application, or the flow of your own product you want to come up with. You yourself as designer, you have to know the flow, so you have to draw it yourself. So but if you want to look at this, you now say, okay, home page. If you've signed up, you take it to home. Let's say here now can be our home page. I'm just making an instance, so I'm not saying this is how your own is supposed to look like. So from home, what else can we see in a home page that when the user clicks on it, it can take the person to another place? We can see a search button, a search. So we can say search here. Search. Let's see. What can we see?
Menu.
Order. Okay, menu. Yeah. Yeah, we understand the flow now. So from this one, inside this menu now, you can now get you can see some other flow now. From that menu, you can see some other options, some other tasks to do, right? Let's say you see
Setting.
What did you say? Settings.
Yeah.
Okay. Settings. Just like that. This is what a user flow, or this is what a user flow is. This is what an information architecture is. Information architecture of your platform, of your product. So search does not have any other thing. Home. You can say there is book now, book, order, anything, order, book, just like that. Favorites, we can see favorites, right? Can we see favorites in book? This is like, so while you are arranging this, you have to make sure that it is looking orderly. Make sure it is looking orderly. It should not look jam-packed. It should just look well arranged. So this is for information architecture, for this is for user flow. So I think that is where we are going to draw. That's where we are going to draw the curtain for today. Or we can go into wireframing. No, let's not. When we are finished with this, so I'm going to give us two tasks now. The first task is coming up with a user persona from what we have learned. I'll show you how to. Okay, we've not gone to UI, so you will not know how to design it yet. So, but just put it down and write in a Google Doc as well. Make the Google Doc shareable. Like once I click on it, I can read what it is inside. Then we create we create a user flow as well for any product. Mind you, that product you are creating the user flow for is what you are going to use throughout our class. Do we get? Is anyone hearing me? Please, can you test? Can you write and test it on the chat box?